Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and signal right. Insert fresh batteries and make sure the unit's wall power is on. The remote needs both. Once done, stand 3 to 5 meters from the AC with a clear line of sight so signals travel unobstructed. Make sure the sensor on the indoor unit is visible. If you skip these steps, you'll waste time diagnosing wrong issues. This primes the system to accept commands immediately. Now you configure how the AC operates. Press mode to choose cool, heat, dry, fan, or auto and watch the remote's icon update so you know the command reached the unit. Then set temperature with the plus and minus keys. Move 1 degree at a time for comfort and efficiency. Next, pick fan speed and louver swing. Choose auto for steady performance or manual when you need quick changes. These settings control both comfort and energy use, so tune them to your room. Finish by using timers and special modes to refine operation. You can program on/off schedules or enable sleep mode to lower output gradually. This saves energy and prevents overcooling. If the remote becomes unresponsive, remove batteries for 10 seconds or use the reset pinhole. That clears glitches. If commands still fail, inspect the indoor unit's receiver LED, clear any obstructions, and power cycle the AC. These steps isolate signal versus unit faults, so you fix the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.